Hello everyone, I am Pratik Paul. I am going to introduce you all briefly about UniProt database. UniProt is a universal protein database, is a freely accessible protein sequence and information database. Many entries come from the Genome Sequencing Project. It contains a huge amount of information on the biological function of protein derived from the literature of research. Over here we can see the homepage of UniProt database. Few facts to know about UniProt database. The UniProt consortium includes the European Bioinformatics Institute (EBI), the Swiss Institute of Bioinformatics (SIB), and the Protein Information Resource (PIR). Each consortium member is heavily involved in protein database maintenance and annotation. Organizations of UniProt database contains UniProt KB, also known as UniProt Knowledge, is a protein database particularly curated by experts consisting of two sections: UniProt KB SwissProt, containing reviewed manually annotated entries, and UniProt KB TREMBL, consisting of unreviewed automatically annotated entries. The UniProt KB TREMBL contains high quality computational analyzed records which are enriched with automatic annotations. The UniProt archive, also known as UniPrac, is a comprehensive and non-redundant database which contains all the protein sequences from the publicly available protein sequence databases. Then comes the UniRef or UniReference clusters, contains the three databases of clustered set of protein sequences from UniProt KB selected UniPrac records. Other informations are this provides us a search tool, a blast tool, sequence alignments tool. We can also retrieve ID maps. We can also upload peptide searches, etc. So the main theory comes: the Universal Protein Resource UniProt is a comprehensive resource for protein sequences and annotation data. The UniProt database are the UniProt KB, UniProt Ref, and UniPrac. The UniProt Consortium and the host institute EMBL, EBI, SIB, and PIR are committed to a long-term preservation of UniProt databases. So the procedure to search is very simple. Firstly, we need to open the database. We get a search bar on the top where we can write any specific protein name, and we get a search result from which we can open a specific protein. So here we can see a view page of protein. Over here, the information is divided into several features and labels. Let's see each of them one by one. Now let's see more about UniProt. First, the protein name, its gene, organism, and status are shown. Then on the left hand side we can see display information like entry, publications, features, view, and feature table are displayed. Below we can also see the following content list. Now let's explore one by one. The first field is of function, which gives the brief description about the function of the protein, followed by caution, molecular function, biological processes, mainly biological knowledge, keywords and enzyme and pathway databases. Then comes name and taxonomy and subcellular locations. Name and taxonomy, this represents the protein name, gene name, organism, taxonomic identifier, taxonomic lineage, host, and proteomes. The third is the subcellular location, provides information on the location and the topology of mature protein in cellular component. Then comes the pathway and biotech. Pathway and the biotech section provides details on the diseases and the phenotypes. It's associated with the mutagen protein. These generally mentioned with respect to the length and its description. Mutagenesis is a process by which the genetic information of an organism is changed, resulting in mutation. It may occur spontaneously in nature or as a result of exposure to mutagens. It can also be achieved experimentally using laboratory procedures. Then comes the PTM. Its full form is post-translational modifications. It refers to the enzyme modification and its biosynthesis. First table under this contains all the chains of protein followed by amino acid modifications. These data are directly linked from the PMT databases. PTMs refers to the covalent and generally enzymatic modification of protein following protein biosynthesis. Protein are synthesized by ribosome translating mRNA into polypeptide chains, which may undergo PTMs or to form the mature protein product. Interactions provide information on the quaternary structure of protein. This part also gives information about the interactions other protein or protein complex, mainly substructure binary interactions. Then comes the structure. This provides the structural information like the 3D structure, the information on the 3D structure and the secondary structure of a protein. Also displays related PDB structure IDs as they are directly linked. Then comes the family and domains. This displays information on similarity of sequences other with other proteins and the domain present in a protein, mainly domain and the region and the coil and the motifs. Protein motifs are small region of protein three-dimensional structure or amino acid sequence shared among different proteins. They are recognizable regions of protein structure that may or may not be defined by a unique chemical or biological functions. Domains are the distinct functional or structural units in protein. Usually they are responsible for a particular function or interaction contributing to overall role of protein. Domains may exist in variety of biological context where similar domains can be found in protein with different functions. Sequences. This displays protein sequences from the entry. It includes information relevant to the sequence, including length and molecular weight. Here we also get a toolbar where we can perform certain analysis like blast search, broad scale, etc. Then comes the similar protein, provides link to the protein data similar to this protein sequences. The identify tab have 100%, 90%, find 50% based factors in their membership in UniProt reference, clustered or UniRef. Then comes the cross reference. It is used to point information related to entries found in data collection other than UniProt. We can say that it contains links to other databases with similar information. Entry information and miscellaneous. Entry information section provides us general information on the entry like accession number, entry status, and the miscellaneous section contains any relevant information that cannot be classified in any other defined section. So here is a research paper of UniProt database. Over here we can briefly see about its feature and its other information. The UniProt aim was to provide a scientific community with a single centralized authoritative resource for protein sequences and functional information. This is formed by uniting SwissProt, TREMBL and PIR protein database activities. The UniProt consortium includes the three layers of protein sequence databases: UniProt Archive, UniProt KB, UniRef. The UniProt knowledge database is a comprehensive, fully classified, richly and accurately annotated protein sequences. So conclusion, it provides high quality annotation for experimentally characterized protein across desired protein families and taxonomic groups in all this data in UniProt KB SwissProt section of UniProt. It allows us to link other resources, which in turn helps to connect each resource just at one place. It also provides option to download sequence of protein in various formats for analysis purpose. Thank you.